everyone, welcome back. Today I have a kind of unexpected Hermes unboxing to share with you. Yes, another one. I did recently unbox a few items from Hermes, including a mini Lindy from my essay at the Toronto boutique, and that was very exciting because it had been on my wish list for a very long time. Just an update on 2 videos ago, I unboxed a bag from the Hermes website, the Canadian website, and it was a mini gypsier in the orange color. And I did like it, but I gave it some thought and ended up sending it back. And the reason for that is I just wasn't in love with it enough to justify the price. That's a very high priced bag, and the more I thought about it, the more I realized it just wasn't something that I loved enough to spend that kind of money. And I'm very glad I did that because yesterday a bag popped up that is on my wish list, the exact color combination, hardware, everything, and I was able to purchase it. And I know that had I not returned the mini gypsier, I wouldn't have been able to purchase this because there are limits, and if you purchase bags too close together, Hermes will often cancel the order. So anyway, after that long introduction, I'm going to unbox the bag, and there's an accessory that I was also able to get on the website yesterday, so I'm going to save that one for afterwards. All right, so this is from the website, so there is no information on the box when you get it from the website. When you get it at the store, there is a label that shows what it is, but when you get it from the website, there is no label. So anyway, this is a true unboxing. I am so excited to unbox this and see it for the first time with you guys. So let's get into it. So here is the dust bag, and this must be the care booklet. Let's see here. All right, so here we go. Here's the dust bag to reveal. Okay, so this is the mini Della Cavalleria in gold Epsom leather with gold hardware. Oh, it's so pretty, and it smells really good. Okay, so yeah, this style was on my wish list, and it I wanted it either in the gold with gold hardware or the Nata or Cray with gold hardware. So those were kind of the options I wanted for this bag. I wanted gold hardware for this one because I think this buckle looks really pretty in gold. I do have a gold bag already, which I'll show you right now to compare. So my very first Hermes bag was this mini Evelyn in gold Clemence, but it has silver hardware, and I think these are different enough that there is room in my collection for both, especially because they're different leathers. So you can see the gold tone on the Clemence is a lot darker than the gold tone on the Epsom. And it's obviously gold hardware versus silver, and there's many differences. Like, these are just 2 very different bags, so I think they definitely look different enough to have both. So let's see here. So it is a crossbody strap that is adjustable. It's nice how they put these little dust bags on the strap. Let's open this up. Yeah, so I think there are 3 holes. Yeah, 3 holes, so 3 different lengths. And this side has the buckle. And then there is a back pocket. And it has the contrast stitching, which I really like. Okay, so how does this buckle work? Okay, there we go. Let's open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and it's one big compartment, unlike my Constance 18, which has a divider. So I think that this holds quite a bit more. Yeah, I definitely have watched Oksana's review on this, as well as Fashionably Amy's. I'm sure everyone watching knows those two YouTubers. They both have this style, and they both seem to like it. So I have definitely watched their videos a few times to get more information on the bag. There's this little slot here, and then it's just one big open compartment. I believe it's Swift on the inside. It's very soft. Take the felt off. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm going to keep this short and keep it just as an unboxing, but I'll have to do a review comparison with some other crossbody Hermes bags at some point. So this item I was able to get yesterday as well. It was really just such a fluke because I was able to get this on the website. Usually, you know, it's gone before you can even add it to cart, but I was able to purchase this right away. Then about 15 minutes later, I saw this and was able to purchase it, and customer service kindly combined my orders. So they basically canceled the two orders and put them into one so that they would ship together. So that was really nice. So let's open this one. Okay, so this is the Pegasus or Pegas charm, and it is in gold, vert criquet, I think, and cray. And yeah, it is so cute. I feel like this will look perfect on my mini Evelyn and also on this bag. So definitely finding this gold was really lucky. The same day I purchased a gold bag, and I also have the other gold bag I can use it with. So yeah, I have a few of these little rodeo charms, but I don't have a gold one. So I was really happy to get this color combo. I think it's so cute with the green. Yeah, so that is my very lucky order from Hermes Canada, the Hermes website, the Canadian one. Yeah, it's very, very difficult to get anything, especially bags, on that site and charms. So I feel very lucky that I was able to do that. And I'm very glad that I didn't keep the mini gypsier and that I have something that I actually love instead. So feeling lucky that I was able to get two wishlist bags within less than 2 weeks, my mini Lindy from the store and this from the website. So for the foreseeable future, I am now on Ban Island in terms of bags, but I'm very happy now to have these two. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.